Hey, how's it going, guys? It's your boy Yash for Gaming. Well, if you're new to the channel, guys, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe. And before we start the video, guys, a small disclaimer. Okay, a small disclaimer, as I'm making this video for educational purposes. All right. Yeah. So, basically, I've made this using Python. All right. I'm not gonna read that, and today I'm gonna show you how we're gonna compile this using PyInstaller and with an icon as well. So you have to get your icon. So I downloaded mine from iconarchive.com. Okay, you can visit icon archive and you can download your icon. All right, and then rename it as icon. Okay, put it in the same folder same as your Python source. So I'm gonna edit as Notepad. And as you can see right here, there's no viruses, there's no hit logos, there's nothing. Okay, see, the code ends right here. As soon as it prints the results success, the code ends right here. Okay, bam. And yeah, there's nothing suspicious about it, nothing. Okay, as you can see here, I'm using an ANCI art generator. So I generate this with my name and some few other special stuff, like as you can see, it will light this this text will show up in red like this, foreground, yellow, and so on. Okay, so yeah, well, basically, if you haven't seen my other videos how to install Python, so first, how's this gonna work? You wanna make sure that you install Python. Okay, so because I'm gonna compile it in an exe checker, and for that you will not need Python, you will not need to install PyInstall or nothing. Okay, so after I convert this thing right here, as you can see, it is a Python file. After I convert it into exe, okay, into an Windows executable file for you to open it, just like that. You don't need Python, you don't need anything, but I'm still showing you the video. Okay, it's a full tutorial how I usually do it. Okay, so say if you'd like to get into coding, like into Python, etc. All right, so first make sure that you go to, so you now write Python. Okay, just go there and click downloads and download the latest version, which is 3.11.5. okay, so after you've done that, you wanna install PyInstaller. Okay, so just write PyInstaller, and right here, as you can see, there are a lot of guides using PyInstaller, how to install PyInstaller as well. You can see the documentation. So you want to install it via pip. Okay, this, you want to write this command, pip space install space PyInstaller. All right, and if we keep reading that down below, you can see it will also show us how to convert into an exe, okay, a Windows executable file. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right here, all right, so all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this line of command. Okay, this line of command. All right, yeah, and also yeah, oh shit, I forgot what was I about to say. Yeah, about my accent. Now many of you will say why I'm an African or Indian African. I'm trying so hard to emulate a real accent. So many will try to comment like, please don't talk like that because it's a fake accent. Well, man, fuck you. Okay, all right, so that's the way I speak. All right, I don't give a shit about you, whether how you like me talk or not. Okay, all right, nobody's fucking perfect. All right, everyone has flaws. All right, so but we're trying to improve. That's how human being function. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right here, I'm gonna hold shift while right click. Okay, because right here, as you can see, if I just right click, I don't see yeah, here it is. Oh yeah, it's in. Yeah, as you can see, I didn't have to. That's why I love Windows 11, because in Windows 10 we'll have to press shift while holding a shift key on your keyboard and then right click. But as you can see, in Windows 11 you don't even have to hold the shift, so you can just right click, open in terminal, and it's going to open like this. Okay, so next I'm just gonna copy this special code. I'm gonna paste it right here, and all I'm gonna just hit enter. Okay, so now all I'm gonna have to sit and wait. All right, so as you can see, it gets what is it, on line 40. So let me go ahead and let's correct that. On line 40, where's it, line 40? Okay, so here is line 40. All right, so see, I'm gonna remove this line 40. Hold on a second, I'm gonna try to fix this code. Okay guys, so yeah, let's go, let's do it. Okay, copy this, paste, and let's see, now it should work. Okay, as you can see, now it is being compiled. So now all we gotta do is to wait for the building exe from exe is completed successfully. So once we see this, we can close it, and you're gonna see dist folder, and inside here will be your exe application, Windows executable application exe. Okay, so just run this thing and it should open, and it should start checking. Yeah, so yeah, well, thanks so much for watching guys. I hope this was helpful.